When is our sister?
The AG will also be able to. We can allow them to take one photo. Thank you. All right. Well done.
Murang'a na uhoro nginya twashinda riu thirikari nene ni etikira gutuhe rutha tuheanage mbacarĩ na nĩ twacainanĩra agreement. Document iyo tukamitwara muthenya wa rucio wa control budget nigetha mbeca cia mbacarĩ cianjĩrĩrie kuhituka na control budget tondu riu uhoro ucio ni wagithira cira uria turarĩ naguo na ikuru ni tukweheria tondu ni twakiheo rutha ni thirikari nene mĩnĩstry ni acaina na tugacokeria ngatho ati ciana citu 50,000 iria cikorwo mbacarĩ-inĩ ya Murang'a riu ni ikwanjia kuona mbacarĩ. Ciana cia ndĩ aria mareteire mbacarĩ ĩno ĩroka tumere next week Ngai atuhotithia tugetana mucemanio nigetha tuheane mbacarĩ ĩrĩa ĩtagwo inua masomo.
To release the resources, the bursaries, to the students that they support. As you heard, one county supports 50,000 students, another one 35,000 students. When you multiply that across all the 47 counties, that is a very large number of students who, if this was not done, would not benefit from that bursary. Indeed, as you're aware, we've had testimonies of students who have actually stated that without the support that they've gotten from these bursaries, they would not have reached where they have reached. So it is in our interest to ensure that we do everything possible to create an environment, create policies, and have these cooperation agreements that allow the county governments to work with the national governments towards ensuring that services such as this bursary to students, such as school feeding, is actually made possible within the law.